Hey everyone, hope everyone is doing well. Just a quick video to give you all some information on what possibly the remainder of the school year is going to look like. First off, this and next week I will be making phone calls to your parents just to give them information on how to stay in contact with me if they need to, as well as lay out how our online learning is going to look like. So some important information for you students. As of March 30th, we are going to begin our online learning. However, the week of March 30th is meant to be kind of like a transitional week. It's meant to be a week to give you all some time to get accustomed to transitioning to solely online learning. So what it will look like in my classes, I'm going to push out maybe a couple assignments, a couple practice assignments, maybe a couple videos, instructional videos for you all, but you're just going to have a couple practice assignments to complete in Google Classroom. And that is just going to allow me to gauge where we're all at. Is anyone having any issues? That kind of stuff. So next week should be pretty easy. Week of April 6th is the first official back to school kind of week. So beginning the week of April 6th, you should expect to see in Google Classroom a daily lesson and assignment from me. So it's going to look very much like the school year has looked for my classes, which means that you should expect to see a warm-up and then a short lesson. It could either be a lecture, notes, reading, assignment, or some other activity. So for the most part, I'm going to try to keep those to about 20 to 30 minutes max. So they won't be very long, and you can complete them at your own pace as well. I know many of you probably have questions right now about incomplete or unfinished work that was in progress before you left for break. Pretty much everything is on hold for now. If and when we do come back to campus in classroom school, then you will be expected to turn in those portfolios, for example, and we'll pick up our assessments then as well. But for the meantime, everything's on hold. I would suggest, however, that if you have any missing assignments, that you take this time to complete that missing work. Any missing assignments for work that was done up until our spring break is still counting against you. So take advantage of this time, complete any work. The only way that you really have right now to turn in this work is to take a picture of it front and back and email it to me. So if you need help with that, please email me directly and I'm happy to help. But until next week we'll have that practice lesson, and then the following week we'll start our online classes. So hope you all are enjoying your time. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you soon.